Good evening, Bengal parents, guardians, and guests. I am Ms. Hodigan, proud principal of Piper High School, and I want to welcome you to tonight's Piper High School open house. Thank you so much for attending. I know you have busy lives and family life, and it's so important that you took this time out to join us. This is a great opportunity to meet your children's teachers, walk in their shoes and learn about their schedule, and to learn about the many programs that are available at Piper High School. I do want to point out two programs. This year we've started a new Cambridge program, so many of you will be speaking to our Cambridge teachers. Additionally, in our 9th grade Bengal Academy of Excellence, we've offered and added some additional opportunities. So parents, please, if your child is in that academy, speak to those teachers. Finally, I want to encourage all my parents that are here tonight, connect with the teachers, build a relationship so that you can stay close to your child's academic opportunities. I also want to encourage you to join our parent groups and to become very involved in the Piper community. Again, thank you for attending tonight and have a wonderful open house.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lewis. Here at Piper High School, I serve as the behavior specialist, academic support, and the director of the Bengal Academy of Excellence. If you need to contact me, you can reach out at 754-322-1723, or you can email me at matthew.lewis@browardschools.com. Important reminders for the school year, just to make sure that students know that they have to be on time, they have to wear their IDs at all time when they're on campus, they have to be displayed. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jacqueline Shook. I am the ESOL coordinator, the dual enrollment coordinator, the AP test coordinator, and the Cambridge exam officer. If you ever need to reach me, you can call me at 754-322-1732 or send me an email at jacqueline.shook@browardschools.com. Thank you and have a great night.
Good evening and welcome to Piper High School's open house. My name is Bobby Goodwin. I'm one of the assistant principals on campus. Some of my responsibilities, I am in charge of the master schedule, also safety and security on the campus, as well as all operational activities. I hope you have a great evening at Piper High School for our open house. If you need to reach me, my number is 754-322-1712. Thank you and have a great evening.
Good evening, parents. My name is Stefan Monroe. I'm the 9th grade assistant principal, and I'm also over athletics. If you care to contact me, you can call me at 754-322-1733, or you can reach me at my email below at stefan.monroe@browardschools.com. Thank you.
Good evening, Bengal parents. My name is Patrick Kothi. I'm an administrator over curriculum and instruction. If you need to contact me, please do so at patrick.kothe, K-O-T-H-E, @browardschools.com. Have a wonderful night.
Hi, Bengals. I'm Mr. Walton, assistant principal. I'm currently over 10th and 11th grade students and the guidance department. Welcome. You can contact me through email, kennethwalton@browardschools.com, and my office phone number is 754-322-1720.
Hi, good evening. My name is Safia Scott, and I am one of the assistant principals here at Piper High School. This year, I will be supervising the senior class as well as student activities on campus. The best way to contact me is via email, and that is safia.scott@browardschools.com. Have a great evening.
Hi Bengal parents, my name is Jillian Gagan and I am the school counseling director. I'm located in the school counseling office. We provide college and career services as well as academic and social emotional assistance. If you need anything, you can reach me at 754-322-1770 or email me directly at jillian.gagan@browardschools.com.